Welcome back, coders! In our last video, we tackled some tricky puzzles using for loops. If you missed it, make sure to check it out by following the link. But today, we're diving into the world of while loops with 4 brand new challenges. For each challenge, you'll need to pick the correct answer from the options on screen, and you'll only have a limited time to do it. But if you need a bit more time, don't worry, just pause the video and take a closer look. Test your logic, spot the patterns, and see how well you really know while loops. Start with an easy question to warm up, but don't get too comfortable. Each round ramps up in the difficulty, testing every aspect of your loop's logic. Let me write a code for simple while loop statement. Done, here are your options. A, 5, B, 4, C, 6, D, 0. Can you predict the output? Okay, so your time starts now. The correct answer is A5. Now let's move with slightly trickier challenge involving nested loops. Let me write an interesting code for round 2. Done, here are your options. A, 16, B, 10, C, 17, D, 12. Can you predict the output? And your time starts now. The correct answer is C, 17. Comment down below if you spotted the answer before time ran out. Now let's move with tougher challenge, with multiple conditions. Let me write another interesting code for round 3. Done, here are your options. A, 2, 1, B, 2, 0, C, 3, -1, D, error. Can you predict the output? And your time starts now. The correct answer is B, 2, 0. Finally, let's move with a pro-level challenge that involves complex conditions. Let me write another interesting code for final round. Done, here are your options. A, 26, B, 28, C, 30, D, 24. Can you predict the output? And your time starts now. The correct answer is D, 24. I know you're pro if you guess this answer right. Let us know in the comments which puzzle you found the hardest. And don't forget to subscribe MSquareH for more fun coding challenges and tutorials. See you next time.